vibrates slowly, which creates a deeper sound, while a shorter object vibrates quickly, which creates a higher sound. But it's not only the length of an object that can affect the sound. Different objects create different sounds. Let's see what other different sounds we can find.
That was popping an inflated polka dot balloon. This polka dot balloon is filled with high pressure air particles, and when popped, all these particles rush out and hit the adjacent air particles. Those particles hit the next set of adjacent air particles, and so on, thereby creating an expanding shell of air particles just bouncing into one another. This is called a pressure wave or sound wave. This wave travels throughout the room, and eventually the bouncing air particles apply a force to your eardrum.
Musical instruments fall into one of three categories: string, wind, or percussion. String instruments, such as a piano or guitar, rely on strings as the vibrating source of the sound. Though a vibrating string, relatively speaking, isn't very loud, the body of the instrument, the resonator, certainly helps, especially for a piano, but still, wind instruments, pound for pound, are much louder. That's why a full orchestra typically needs more string instruments than wind instruments to get that beautifully balanced sound.